Every strong research study begins with a clear path, and that path is called research methodology. But what exactly does it mean? Simply put, research methodology is the system of methods and techniques researchers use to collect, analyze, and interpret data. It's the blueprint that guides the entire research process, ensuring that the study is organized, reliable, and scientifically valid. Imagine trying to build a house without a plan. The result would likely be chaotic and unstable. In the same way, research without a proper methodology can lead to confusion and inaccurate conclusions. A well-defined methodology explains how the research will be conducted, what data will be collected, and how that data will be analyzed. Research methodology typically begins with selecting the research design. This could be qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods. Qualitative research focuses on understanding experiences, opinions, and meanings through interviews, observations, or open-ended questions. Quantitative research, on the other hand, deals with numbers, statistics, and measurable data often collected through surveys or experiments. Mixed methods combine both approaches to provide a deeper understanding of the research problem. Next comes data collection, where researchers gather information from reliable sources. This could include surveys, questionnaires, interviews, experiments, or existing records. The choice of method depends on the research objective and the type of data needed. Once the data is collected, the next step is data analysis. Researchers organize and examine the data to identify patterns, relationships, or trends. In quantitative studies, this often involves statistical analysis, while qualitative research may involve interpreting themes and narratives. Finally, research methodology also ensures validity and reliability. This means the research measures what it is supposed to measure and produces consistent results. By clearly explaining the methodology, researchers allow others to understand, evaluate, and even replicate the study. In simple terms, research methodology is the backbone of any research project. It turns ideas into structured investigations and transforms raw data into meaningful knowledge. Without a solid methodology, research may raise questions, but with it, research provides answers that can inform decisions, solve problems, and contribute to new discoveries.